In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT card on Amazon. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your EBT card on Amazon is extremely simple. You will be able to do this process directly through their website, as I'm gonna be demonstrating here on screen, or alternatively through the latest version of their mobile app, however you prefer. All that you have to do is first make sure that your EBT card is properly activated, that it has enough balance, and that you have the full credentials to use it. Afterwards, go into the Amazon website at amazon.com or open the latest version of their mobile app. Now, all that you have to do is use the search function to look for EBT. The reason why this is so convenient is because, as you can see, you will have plenty of eligible items, and alongside this, they will notify you that you can shop with Snap EBT. So I recommend that you tap or click on this button, and you will be redirected to this page, Shop Snap Eligible Groceries. As you can see, all of the items listed here are going to be Snap EBT eligible. But if you go over to the top, you have the option to add your Snap EBT card. So click this and now include the EBT card number. As you can see, you can only register one EBT card at a time. So after you register your first card, you will have to remove it before registering another one. In this video, I don't have an eligible EBT card number to show you. However, all that you have to do is include the number here. As you can see, what they have to say is that you can purchase groceries online with Snap EBT for delivery, available nationwide, shop eligible groceries online, sold by Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh, and Whole Foods Market. And all that you have to do after you continue through this and you register the card is to browse through the products. So you can go back to the search function and look for EBT, or just browse through them in this page. And of course, you can look for a specific item that you seek. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of these items to my cart. So once you have everything added to your cart, as you might expect, all that you have to do now is proceed to checkout. So double check your cart, see if all these items are correct, and as long as they were featured on the Snap EBT eligible page, you will be able to purchase them using your EBT card. Usually there's going to be an icon or some sort of indicator like here. So just go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now, as long as you registered your card before, it is going to be available for you to select here and you can complete your purchase. But if you didn't register it before, there's going to be an option under the other payment methods. So after you include your shipping address, just choose the option to add a new EBT card. And once again, you have to include the card number and the name on card. Only one card can be registered at a time, so make sure that you complete this purchase before removing it and adding another one if necessary. I hope I was able to help you on how to use EBT card on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.